The Samsung keyboard is the default keyboard used for typing on your Galaxy phone. Here are some useful features that you can use with Samsung keyboard. Extract text from images. This feature lets users copy text through internet, gallery, or any screenshot and paste it to any message, notes app, or document on the same device. The feature also has the ability to copy text from any board, banner, etc. through Samsung keyboard and send it to anyone without capturing its image, hence making your gallery clean and providing you with effortless access to the text. You can use your spacebar as a trackpad, so if you tap and hold on it, you can see that you can now move the cursor very precisely. You can also use the trackpad to select the text. You can tap on the cursor and hold this with your finger and select the text you want. You can copy it or cut it or delete it. Using Samsung voice input is as simple as tapping the microphone button on your keyboard. After that, say what you want to type, and your words will appear on the screen. Of course, you'll need to set the language beforehand.
Samsung Gulf Electronics is proud to be a Dubai Quality Global Award winner at the 2021 edition of Dubai Economy Business Excellence Awards.
삼성 걸프 일렉트로닉스는 2021년 두바이 이코노미 비즈니스 엑설런스 어워즈에서
The great thing about the default Samsung keyboard is how customizable it is. You can change the language. Samsung keyboard supports over 80 languages. The Samsung keyboard also brings the translator right to your fingertips for when you are typing. The feature is powered by Google, and it lets you translate and switch between languages right in the app you are using. To access the translation feature, tap the translate icon in the expanded toolbar.